If you have been looking for the right face serum that is going to lighten up your skin, clear out all the pigmentations, dark spots, take care of sunburn that you get as a result of sun exposure on your skin, emphasis on the skin on your face, then you made the right choice. I mean, clicking into this video to watch it, because this particular product from this particular brand is one very amazing one that I swear by, and that a lot of other people have sworn by, and which is why I have decided to come on here to share with you the amazing benefits of the Disaar Vitamin C face serum. There are actually about 2 variants of this particular face serum, but I'm actually going to be focusing on the one that contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid as its key and major ingredients that help to deliver all the amazing things that this product promises. So this particular one, the Disaar Vitamin C face serum, comes in these cute tinted bottles. It has this white labeling with the font or write-ups written in black, in orange, and in color blue. Okay, the packaging is actually inviting. If you see it on a shelf among other vitamin C serums, it is definitely going to catch your attention at the first glance. Now, one of the major benefits of Disaar Vitamin C face serum is that it is going to help to clear out free radicals and the signs of aging. Yes, I mean, it's going to improve the production of collagen on your skin. It is going to brighten your skin. One good thing I like about this particular serum, while I'm talking about the benefits, is that on the pack it says that it is whitening and moisturizing, but trust me you guys, this particular product does not overly whiten your skin. So if you're looking for something that is really going to make you like very fair, then this might not be it. But if you're looking for something that is going to brighten your complexion, take you from this to this, I mean, I'm going to leave a picture here for you to see what I'm saying. I mean, it's significantly going to brighten the appearance of sunburn on your skin, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dark circles, eye bags, and it is even going to significantly reduce the inflammation of acne on your skin. Emphasis on reduce the inflammation of acne on your skin. It is not going to treat acne on your skin. I have actually seen some reviews which I think are misguided, saying that you can use the vitamin C serum on your face and it is going to clear your acne or it is going to clear your pimples. The honest truth is that because this product or any vitamin C serum that you're using contains maybe product like hyaluronic acid or other hydrating ingredients, it is going to significantly help to reduce inflammation, okay, or those breakouts on your skin, but it is not going to completely eliminate acne or pimples from your skin, especially if you have very active acne. Using vitamin C serum is in fact actually going to increase breakouts on your skin. So if you have acne on your skin, for example, I have some active acne on my skin because I'm expecting my period in a matter of 2 to 3 to 5 days, and this is just, you know, a sign, a hormonal sign that I'm around that period. I cannot use any vitamin C serum regardless of the brand, the company, or the ingredients that were combined with that product. So long as it contains vitamin C, I cannot use it on my face because it is only going to further irritate my skin and worsen my acne. I've seen some people who say, oh, they actually began to use it, and you know, and after the first few days or 1 week, you know, they could see their pimples clearing out. What it is doing is just reducing the appearance of those pimples on your face. It is not going to totally eliminate them. This Disaar Vitamin C serum is also going to significantly improve the elasticity of your skin. And now this is one thing I have noticed about all the Disaar products that I have used, both their body oils, the other vitamin C face serum, so your skin feels tighter, firmer, smoother, and younger. This vitamin C serum has a very mild citrusy smell that is not overwhelming, and that is also another thing I like about it. That first moment when you're using it or applying it on your face, the citrusy smell is going to initially serenade your senses. You're going to perceive the aroma, and it is just going to make you want to indulge more in applying the vitamin C serum on your face, but it fades off literally immediately, okay? And this product can be used by all skin types, whether you're light skinned, you're dark skinned, whether you're texture skin, whether you have an oily skin, a combination skin, a dry skin, a normal skin. You can use this product. The only clause, okay, to using this product are people who are acne prone, okay? There's a difference between having an oily skin and an acne prone skin. If you like me to talk more about this in another video, please let me know in the comment section below, and of course I'm going to be bringing it on to you. So now you can use this product every single day, in the morning and at night. But honestly, if you're starting out with using vitamin C, because this product contains 20% vitamin C, I would advise that you choose to use it either in the morning or at night. It is also dicey because this has actually also been a point of controversy when it comes to using vitamin C serums, okay, or serums generally, whether you're using it in the morning or you're using it at night. Now here is what I would say: if you're using vitamin C serum because you really want to brighten your skin, not just because you want to maintain your skin tone or maintain an even skin tone, if you're using it for a particular skincare concern, then honestly the best way you're going to get that result that you desire from your vitamin C serum and any other serum in fact that you're using in your skincare routine is to use it at night. The reason is because in the hour of the night your body is already wired to take a rest, and that night time is when your skin begins to rejuvenate, begins to rebuild itself without external factors like harsh weather condition, excessive exposure to wind, or even being under the AC for too long. All of those distractions is going to leave your skin more time to actually take care of itself. So if you have skin treatment serums, okay, or vitamin C serums that you're using for your face, best to use it at night so that they get to actually work and sink into your skin. And now to use it, of course, you want to cleanse your face properly. After cleansing your face, make sure that your face is dry. Then you go in with 2 to 3 drops. Honestly, you don't need more than that, okay? You can either apply it directly or you can drop it into your palm and then apply it on your face. Allow it to dry out and then go to bed like that. But of course, if you're using it during the day under the exposure of the sun, of course you want to go in with a very good sunscreen as soon as your vitamin C serum dries up on your skin. Now, to bring this video to a close, I'm going to be answering 2 major questions that have bedeviled this particular product, okay? Looking at what people are saying about this product, other reviews, people who want to use it, these are literally like the most commonest questions that have been asked. And the question is, does this product bleach your skin? And I will say no. Even if it contains an ingredient called berry glutathione, but it doesn't contain it in such a significant amount as to literally whiten your skin. Bleaching your skin means going skin deep to whiten your skin 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 shades lighter than you ordinarily are. And this particular vitamin C serum, the Disaar Vitamin C serum, is not going to do that, okay? The combination of vitamin C and the berry glutathione is just to help to further brighten your skin, giving you that even toned skin that you desire, to fade off all your hyperpigmentations, your dark spots, the dark circles, without necessarily harming your skin in the long term. And I've always said on this channel, okay, if you're an OG, that when you are using skincare products, honestly, your goal should not just be to treat your skin in the short term. It should also be what your skin is going to look like in the long term after using this particular skincare product consistently over a long period of time. This product, of course, also contains hyaluronic acid, which is one of the key ingredients. I mean, aside vitamin C, the next most important ingredient in this particular vitamin C serum is the hyaluronic acid, which helps to keep your skin hydrated and also improve the elasticity and texture of your skin. And the next most frequently asked question is, does this product have side effects? Yes, it does have side effects. I already mentioned one in the course of my sharing, the benefits of this product with you. Using vitamin C serum on a skin that already has acne or pimples, or you have a tear on your skin, okay, for whatever reason, maybe you popped your pimple, it will further irritate your skin, worsen your acne, and if you continue to use it, it is actually going to end up damaging your skin barrier, which is literally like a reverse of what vitamin C serum should actually be doing for your skin. Also, one of the most common side effects that a lot of people have noticed is that they get irritation from using this vitamin C serum. And what I can say is the cause of this is 2 things. One, either you're using a higher concentration of vitamin C serum that is too active for your skin, or you are combining it with a product that contains an ingredient that you shouldn't be pairing with your vitamin C serums. And then a bonus tip, of course, it is also possible that that particular product, okay, is allergic to your skin, or your skin is allergic to the product. I think it makes more sense that way. So if you have been looking for an affordable vitamin C serum that can help you achieve all of these amazing things, giving you that skin glow, that youthful, cheap glow that you need on your skin, then the Disaar Vitamin C Face Serum is definitely what you should be looking out for. Go shop for it. Let me know in the comment section below if you'll be trying out this vitamin C serum. If you have tried it before, also let me know in the comment section below. Are there other products that you would like me to review on this channel? Please drop the names in the comment section below and I will be bringing it straight to you. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.